What is glucosamine? Glucosamine is a vital compound used by the body to create glycosaminoglycans, which are specialized molecules found in cartilage. These molecules help keep your joints cushioned and moving smoothly. Although glucosamine is produced naturally, its levels often decrease with age or joint wear and tear, making supplementation beneficial, especially for those dealing with joint issues. Most supplements are derived from shellfish, a natural and effective source. How does it work? One of glucosamine's key benefits is its ability to repair and rebuild cartilage, which naturally erodes over time due to aging or physical activity. Those with osteoarthritis, a condition where cartilage breaks down, can benefit significantly from this. By promoting cartilage repair, glucosamine can reduce pain, improve joint function, and increase mobility. In addition to supporting cartilage, glucosamine possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce swelling and stiffness in joints, especially for those suffering from conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Regular supplementation with 1,500 mg daily is often recommended for maximum benefits, though effects might take up to 3 months to become fully noticeable. Why is this important? Joints are essential for everyday activities, from walking and exercising to simple movements like bending or stretching. When cartilage wears down, even these basic actions can become painful. By repairing cartilage and reducing inflammation, glucosamine can help keep joints healthier for longer, preventing or delaying more serious issues. Personalizing the approach. For individuals who experience joint pain or stiffness after exercise, or from conditions like osteoarthritis, adding glucosamine supplements to a daily routine can lead to significant improvements. Athletes and active individuals often use glucosamine to maintain joint health and prevent injury, while older adults may find it helpful for managing age-related joint issues. Works well with. For enhanced effects, glucosamine can be combined with the following supplements. Vitamin C helps in collagen production, essential for cartilage repair. Chondroitin draws water and nutrients into cartilage, helping to further reduce pain and inflammation. Devil's Claw Gel, for external relief, this gel offers a soothing and anti-inflammatory effect when applied to sore joints. Manganese supports the normal formation of connective tissue, complementing glucosamine's cartilage repairing properties. Top tip: if you're looking for a non-capsule alternative, glucosamine gel can be applied directly to joints, offering a fast-absorbing option to soothe sore areas. Real-world use case. Many people, particularly those with osteoarthritis, have reported a noticeable decrease in pain and an increase in flexibility after taking glucosamine supplements consistently for a few months. Athletes who put strain on their joints during training often turn to glucosamine to maintain joint strength and avoid injury, extending the longevity of their careers. Safety issues. Those allergic to shellfish should avoid glucosamine sourced from this origin. It's also advisable for individuals with diabetes or those on blood sugar medications to check with their doctor before starting supplementation.
Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights from Vital Elixir. Stay healthy and stay informed.